Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you are always on display not working on your iPhone. So if you have updated your iPhone but always on display is not working, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So there are some methods that you can try to fix this problem. So first step is make sure that you have turned on the always on display. For that you can go to setting and display and brightness. Make sure that you have turned on that, and if it's turned off, you need to turn it on. So after this, make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the latest version. For that you can go to setting, click on general, click on software update, and if is there any update, make sure that you download and install that update. So after this, turn off the low power mode, to setting, click on battery, and just turn off low power mode. You change the focus mode. For that, go to the setting, and here are the focus mode. Make sure that you change the focus mode on your iPhone. So after this, disable the continuity camera on your iPhone. For that, go to setting, click on general, click on airplay and off, then turn off the continuity camera right here and close the setting. After this, turn on and off rays to wake up iPhone. For that, go to setting, click on display and brightness. As you can see, if it's turned off, make sure that you turn it on, then close the setting. Start your iPhone once. So if it's still not working, then make sure that you reset your iPhone. Go to setting, click on general, scroll down, and you will get the transfer reset iPhone. Click on it, click on reset, then click on reset all settings. So by doing this, you won't lose any of your data on your iPhone, but it can fix your problem. So if it's still not working on your iPhone, then you need to contact to Apple services to get the help from there. So hope you guys like this video. Hope this video helps you. If it does, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.